Steam is dancing from my cup, warming fingers, warming up. Every thought feels less intense, wrapped in quiet confidence. Nothing loud, nothing strong, just a gentle song. Window light is pale and kind, no sharp edges.